say you have a function 4x plus 3 and you want to integrate it. So the integral symbol is this thing, kind of like a big S, and it's going to be f of x, and you need a dx here, and this bit just means you're going to be integrating it with respect to x. So you write 4x plus 3. So to integrate the 4x part, we'll do that first. So that's the same as writing 4x to the power of 1. You increase the power of 1 and divide the whole thing by the new power. So that's going to go to 4x, increase 1 by 1, and you get 2. Divide by the new power, and you put the over 2, which is going to be 2x squared. To integrate the 3 term, that's equivalent to 3x to the 0. So if you have 3x, increase 0 by 1, and you get 1. So it's just that, divide by the new power is 1, and that's just equal to 3x. So if you come back up here, that's equal to 2x squared plus 3x. And you need to add a constant to the end. This constant just represents a term that won't necessarily have an x in it. So a useful integration is you can find the area between 2 points on a graph. So you can find the area between the x and y axis and the curve. So it's going to find this area here. So say that was 4 and that's the origin. You would write the integral sign and you have limits. So you have the top limit is going to be 4 and the bottom limit is going to be 0. They come from these 2 points, and then 4x plus 3 again, dx. So I messed that out up here. There's meant to be one there as well. And that equals 2x squared plus 3x. We don't need the plus c for this part, so you just put it in square brackets. You have 0 and 4. Which come from over here again. And then you just substitute in the 4 for all the x's. So you're going to have 2 times 4 squared plus 3 times 4. And then you sub in the 0 for the x's and make sure you subtract it. So you're going to have 2 times 0 squared plus 3 times 0. 4 squared is 16 times 2 is going to be 8. No, it's not. It's going to be 32. Plus 3 times 4, which is 12. Minus 0 squared is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 times 0 is also 0. So 32 plus 12 is, what's that? 44. So the area between 0 and 4, and the shaded bit of this graph, is 44. And it's going to be square units. In the question they'll give you some units.